Welcome to Studio G, your destination for the latest news on education, finance, and everything in between. This is Maurice. Today, we're diving into a game-changing announcement from the Department of Education. Let's get started. In a groundbreaking move, the Department of Education is wiping out $39 billion in federal student loan debt. This affects over 800,000 borrowers, fixing mistakes made by loan servicers under income-driven repayment programs. This massive relief will also include loan adjustments for millions more. This process is expected to continue into the next year. Why this sudden cancellation, you ask? Well, for decades, loan servicers made numerous errors in tracking payments and assisting borrowers through the payment process. These mistakes have put millions of borrowers further behind in their quest to pay off their loans. As Education Secretary Miguel Cardona said on Friday, for far too long, borrowers fell through the cracks of a broken system. This move aims to correct those past errors. But don't confuse this with President Biden's plan to eliminate $400 billion in student loan debt, which the Supreme Court recently struck down. This smaller adjustment, unlike Biden's plan, falls squarely within the Education Secretary's power. Over the next few weeks, this debt elimination will be implemented as part of a broader plan to rectify servicers' past mistakes. The department will retroactively credit millions of borrowers for late or partial payments and for periods spent in forbearance before the pandemic. A particularly significant problem was forbearance steering, which put struggling borrowers on forbearance, causing interest to accrue and increasing their balances. In 2017, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau even sued Navient, one of the largest student loan servicers at the time, over such tactics. It's worth noting that a staggering 45 million borrowers collectively owe the government $1.6 trillion in student loans. The loan payments have been paused since March 2020, initially as a pandemic relief measure under President Trump and later extended by President Biden. However, the pause is set to end soon, and borrowers will have to resume payments in October. So what happens next? Eligible borrowers will not have to apply for this relief. Their debts will be automatically discharged, making this a significant step towards rectifying past administrative failures. As Mr. Cardona said, by fixing past administrative failures, we are ensuring everyone gets the forgiveness they deserve. That's all for today's major update. Don't forget to subscribe for more news on education and finance. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your financial future. Subscribe or follow Studio G for more news, sports, and entertainment updates.